Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. So today we are going to learn about subnetting. So what is the purpose of subnetting? Basically, subnetting is about dividing a large network into smaller networks. But the main reason of dividing network into smaller networks is to save IP address. Okay, how can we save IP address through subnetting? Let's see an example. So this is a classic IP address 192.168.1.0 which belongs to class C. So the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, what is the function of subnet mask? So let's recap what we have learned in previous video. So subnet mask, what does it do? It determines which part is the network and which part is the host part. Okay, by doing this, then we can determine which is the network address and what is the broadcast address. By knowing the network part and host part, so we know to get network address we need to put bit 0 for the host part, and for broadcast address we need to put bit 1 for the host part. Okay, please bear in mind that we cannot use the network address and the broadcast address to be assigned to any devices. So what we can use is the addresses which are in between the network address and broadcast address. Okay, now let's figure out what is the network address for this IP address. Okay, the host part should be 0. Okay, so this is in binary format. Everything is 0. When you convert it back to decimal format, so our network address is 192.168.1.0. Okay, how about broadcast address? So the condition is the byte of host, all the bits must be number 1. Okay, okay, this is maintained. Right now, to get broadcast address, change this into 1111111. So when we convert it back to decimal format, so you get 192.168.1.255. So this is the network address and this is the broadcast address. So the addresses that can be used, the range is from 192.168.1.1 until 192.168.1.254. So you can see here, for this network you can get 254 hosts. So let's say instead of using only one network, we want to assign IP addresses to 2 networks. But if we do this without subnetting, so we need to use the next IP address, which is 192.168.2.0. So this will be a waste if for each network only requires, let's say, about 20 hosts, whereas we give 254 hosts. So there are a lot of IP address that will be wasted without using subnetting.